So, welcome friends, welcome to this live stream. And name of the program is Do You Know the Top Companies in Your State? So, whichever state you are living in India, but do you know which are the topmost companies in various segments in your state? So, if you want to know, you have come to the right channel, and we come live every day and we inform you about the top companies in your state. Right now, we are taking a journey in the state of Haryana, and today we want to discuss about the company in the area of general insurance. So, in the area of general insurance in the state of Haryana, which is the topmost company in your state? Do you know the answer? If you do not know the answer, I can give you the answer, and that is the New India Assurance. New India Assurance is the topmost company in the state of Haryana in the area of general insurance. Now, in this video, in this live stream, we will understand what makes them so popular in the state of Haryana, why they are numero uno in state of Haryana, and why general assurance is a big deal. Why people need general assurance, and obviously they are number one. That means they are doing a lot of business in the area of general insurance, and people of Haryana like NIA, as it is known as National India Assurance Limited. So going forward, the National India Assurance Limited, also known as NIA, is number one. They are doing turnover of 521 crores in the state of Haryana. So Haryana is not a very large state, and their commercial activities are largely situated in the eastern side of the state and little bit on the northwest side, which is on the border of Chandigarh. And largely the state is based on the agriculture, agriculture based income, and general insurance has assurance for all kinds of businesses, but most of their commercial activities are happening in the southeast side, which is located near the national capital region. So with this kind of landscape, Haryana, the NIA is able to make a turnover of 521 crores, followed by other insurance companies which are below them, and there are 5 companies which are listed here. So the whole point is that general insurance market is not as big as the other markets. If you look at the life insurance, or if you look at automobile industry, if you look at banking, etc., general insurance is basically small ticket item, and general insurance is more of an expense. Unlike the life insurance, where you keep paying lifelong till the time you survive, you keep paying to insure your life, general insurance is basically an annual product. That means whatever you want to assure other than life, you need to pay a premium for that insurance. Now this insurance could be related to business, could be personal, could be house, and so on and so forth. So general insurance is basically segment which is annual product, and every year you need to renew your insurance for whatever you have insured. Now, other than life, anything can be insured, and in this segment NIA is the clear market leader. Now, when it comes to general insurance, your car is insured under general insurance, and as you know that your car insurance has to be renewed every year. Similarly, if your house is insured against theft, against fire, against any eventuality, then that insurance will have to be purchased. The assessment of your house will be done by the insurance company, and then a premium will be defined for your house insurance, and then you will be insured for a period of 1 year. Now, after the end of the 1 year, you need to renew that insurance, otherwise your house will not be insured. So general insurance typically works in a small segment, which is period of 1 year. You will be insured based on the value of the item, and you will be giving a very small premium, unlike the life insurance, where the insurance scheme can be market linked. In the area of general insurance, these schemes are typically based on in case something happens. So the insurance premiums are very, very small. That explains that the low turnover of NIA, which is just 521 crores. But you have seen the list that all other companies in the general insurance space are below NIA. That means in the general insurance space, with this small turnover, they are still number one. That means in the area of general insurance, maximum coverage or maximum market coverage has been taken up by NIA in the state of Haryana. There could be other companies doing very well in other states. Since we are discussing Haryana, NIA is numero uno. So going forward, NIA has a huge portfolio which is very extremely diversified. So I have already covered the housing insurance. You can also cover your business insurance. You can cover up to if you're basically looking at the transactions. You can actually cover each transaction, each project-wise insurance. Suppose your company is starting a new project and you think that there could be some risk to it. You can actually submit your documents for insurance to evaluate, and the insurance company will come back to you and say that, look, for this project only we will make the insurance for this premium. So you can in the area of general insurance, you can insure your business, you can insure projects, you can insure your vehicles, you can insure your house, anything which is non-life you can insure. So all of these requires different understanding, because somebody has to review all these things, somebody has to do a valuation, and then somebody has to come up with a premium, how much premium a customer would need to pay. And usually this requires a visit to the customer premise. You should know the answer to what is the value of this product which you are going to insure, because just in case if the claim arises, then you need to pay that amount and how much you need to pay back. So therefore all of these requires physical presence. The premium or the underwriting officers need to be able to visit the premises of the customer who requires insurance, because somebody has to assess it physically, and it cannot be done on the internet. So even though NIA has a low turnover compared to other businesses, but high in their own category, they have a lot of manpower to basically look at various requirement of insurance of all kinds, including agriculture insurance. So even the farmers can insure against their crop. If they think that their crop will be very will fail, then they can actually go and insure their crop. And somebody who understands this space, agriculture, somebody has to go to his field, assess what he is doing, and he's actually working, not he is just not insuring his field without any work, and then he will claim his insurance. All of that has to be assessed by somebody who understands the space. Therefore this field requires a deep understanding of the business, so that somebody can evaluate that and come up with a premium value. So this is the kind of business they are in. And when it comes to manpower, NIA would require specialized manpower, underwriting officers who would have knowledge of various other businesses. Now if you compare the life insurance business, it is only one type of insurance. The complexity is because of the market linked schemes, but predominantly insurance work in a similar manner. If you are a healthy person, your insurance will be entirely based on the age. But if you are not healthy, if you have some ailments, then obviously for each ailment the additional riders will get added on into the premium. Whereas in the case of general insurance, each case is different, and each case requires valuation, each case requires surveys and stuff like that. Therefore when it comes to manpower, NIA is looking for, in the New India Insurance, is looking for people who have knowledge of various business segments, and therefore it offers a big opportunity for you to join such companies. If you are in state of Haryana, and if you are a skilled person who know how various industries are handled, then you can become the survey officers in the NIA or similar companies in the state of Haryana. It's a good opportunity that the NIA offers you. If you have a flair to talk to people, understand, discuss with business people, then this is one company that you should not ignore. And if you're master of your own field, so therefore, and NIA is number one in the state of Haryana in the area of general insurance. So if you want to start career in the general insurance, and if you have flair to talk to people, if you are expert in your field, then this is one company for you. So hopefully you like the information that I provided to you today in this video, and you will be able to make up your mind if you want to join this company, NIA, or if you want to strike a business association in terms of some sort of agency deals, etc. with NIA, especially in Haryana, then hopefully this information that I provided to you comes handy. So just in case if you have any questions, please feel free to send it across. I will take up that question and respond to you in a very, very timely manner. Nevertheless, this program is known as Top Companies in Your State. I will meet you very soon in the next one. Bye for now.